Hey Roger, tell us about your airplane.
This is my Turner Special. It was a Wendell Hostetler plans with a National Balsa kit that I built. I have a DA 100 twin engine in it. That helps with getting it balanced because that was a challenge. I didn't cover it the way the original Turner is. That's a silver plane, but that's difficult for me to see. So I put some colors on that would make it easy for me to see.
Smart.
And I've taxied it a few times. It taxis pretty well. I'm a little concerned about how small the rudder is with the size of the plane I have, but it seems to taxi pretty well so far. I did put a gyro in it, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully a Maiden here today if it works out well.
Slow down. That's better.
Last speed of the 2 clicks. More left. 1, 2.
Up, yeah.
Another click or left. Or left. More left. 2 clicks out. You're not far off the center on that.
Up elevator.
2 clicks.
Woohoo!
That's a nice roll.
I hope you intended that.
Yeah, I did. It's on the low rate. Yeah.
I'm going to go into a bit of a climb and throttle back and see what it does.
Okay, a little slow flight, or yeah, stall. Nice.
He just keeps flying.
Yeah, that kept flying good. Okay. Feel it out a little more on slow. See what it does into the wind. Lead in. I just give the gyro if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna want the gyro.
After you grab it like that.
They got plenty of power.
I think you got enough power, yep.
I think it's time to try this.
Project the gyro. Okay. Put it down.
Yeah.
What's this one?
I don't know what that is.
Okay, I did it.
Nice, good job there, Roger.
But I don't know. It's good. Wow. Yeah, it's always good to have a Maiden under your belt.